It's a story about Maharana Pratap. So you have to write question answers in your fair notebook with a good handwriting. Many times I told to you, you have to write with a good handwriting. How you have to use your 4 lines. Everyone, I hope when you are in second standard, that time I said to you, I told you, you have to write with a good handwriting and proper handwriting. I hope you all are continuing that. In third standard also, I explained you about how to write good handwriting. So I gave you many homework from this chapter 11. That homework is you have to circle nouns, verbs underline and adjectives jigjog. So I hope you all completed that one in your textbook, and word meanings in your fair notebook, hard words in your worksheet, scene passage one in your worksheet. This much homework I hope you all completed. Okay. Now, today we are going to write question answers of chapter 11. Okay. Now, chapter 11. Today we are writing chapter 11 question answers. Okay. First, you know na, it's a story about Maharana Pratap Singh. First question is, and I gave you a homework as a exercise B in your textbook only. I hope you all completed that homework also. I am going to give you answer that homeworks. Exercise B's homework also today I am explaining with you. Okay. Now, first question is, what was Pratap Singh like as a young prince? कैसा था, कैसा था यंग प्रिंस होते हुए भी वो कैसे थे? द प्रिंस वॉज अ ब्रेव काइंड बॉय. ही वॉज मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन स्पोर्ट्स एंड training with the weapons than doing sums or learning languages. As he grew up, Pratap became a great soldier and leader admired by everyone. Means अभी आप छोटे होते तो अभी आप लोगों को हम क्या पढ़ाते हैं, मैथ्स लैंग्वेजेस ऐसे पढ़ाते हैं ना, सम्स, आप उसमें इंटरेस्टेड होते हो. बट दैट टाइम महाराणा प्रताप उनके वेपन्स के साथ और अपने जो स्पोर्ट्स में वो बहुत ही होशियार थे. देन what डिड महाराणा प्रताप टेक? एवरीवन, कौन सा ओट मीन्स प्रॉमिस. कौन सा प्रॉमिस उन्होंने किया था? आप सभी लोगों को आई एक्सप्लेन यू इन माई चैप्टर दैट ही विल गेट बैक वन डे चित्तौर बैक फ्रॉम मुगल्स. Why he said like this? Because his father Maharana Uday Singh was attacked by Mughals. That time Mughals captured Chittor. So now answer is Maharana Pratap took an oath to eat food from leaf platter, sleep on the floor and stay in a hut until Chittor was freed. Freed means वो उस आज़ाद होने तक वो ऐसे ही करेंगे. हु वॉज अ चेतक हीरो? व्हाई? ओके. सो हु इज चेतक? चेतक इज अ महाराणा प्रताप सिंह's horse. And is it hero? Yeah, of course it's a hero. When Maharana Pratap was injured in battlefield, he thought my master will hurt, so I have to take him from a safer place. उसको लगा मेरे जो मास्टर है महाराणा प्रताप उनको बहुत चोट लगेगी, मुझे उनको लेके भागना चाहिए. सो उन्होंने वाई मीन्स वो अपने सेफर प्लेस में लाके उनको छोड़ दिया और उसको डेथ हो गया. चेतक डाइड ऑन दैट प्लेस. आफ्टर डाइंग दैट चेतक, महाराणा प्रताप बिल्ट अ बिग एंड ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन in memory of Chetak. So answer was Chetak was a hero just like his master. He was a brave. Despite his injuries, he ran swiftly and carried the Maharana away from the fighting before he died. सो वो चेतक मरने से पहले अपने राजा को सेफ प्लेस में छोड़ दिया. ओके, नाउ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ life did the Maharana and his family lead? So, after chasing the Mughals were chasing him every time. So, that time Maharana Pratap lived at forest in the Aravalli mountains. That time his family also with him, constant in a danger and hardship में था. They lived in a mud hut and often went without food. Sometimes they spent their days without food. Okay. So, answer is the Maharana and his family lived in constant danger and hardship. They lived in a mud huts and often went days without food. The Maharana was troubled by the difficulties faced by his family. Okay. महाराना ही नहीं, उनके फैमिली लोगों ने भी उसका डिफ़िकल्टी, वो बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम में थे. ओके, सो नाउ fifth question is what did the Maharana make his son promise? ओके, अभी महाराणा उदय सिंह का बेटे महाराणा प्रताप सिंह थे. महाराणा प्रताप सिंह के बेटे अमर सिंह थे. जब महाराणा प्रताप सिंह जी 57 ईयर्स ओल्ड थे तब वो हंटिंग टाइम में बहुत ही बैडली सीरियसली इंजर्ड हुए थे. तो उनको ही नो. सो फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन आंसर इज दैट The Maharana made his son promise that he would keep fighting the Mughals. मुग़ल के साथ वो हमेशा फाइट करते रहेंगे. किस बात के लिए? जब तक उनको अपना चित्तौड़ पूरा कैप्चर नहीं हो जाए और मुग़ल्स को वहाँ से भगाया नहीं जाए. सो महाराणा वॉज वेरी हम्बल टू हिज पीपल एंड हिज लैंड. ओके, ये था. और आंसर बी का जो एक्सरसाइज बी का आपको मैं एज आंसर दे रही हूँ. मार्क दिस सेंटेंसेस एज अ ट्रू एज अ टी और नॉट ट्रू एज अ एंटी. फर्स्ट वन इज प्रताप सिंह वॉज एन इल टेम्पर्ड यंग प्रिंस. इज इट करेक्ट? नो, इट्स अ नॉट ट्रू. महाराणा प्रताप वॉज ब्रेव एंड अ काइंड बॉय एज अ यंग प्रिंस. द मेवाड़ आर्मी वॉज larger than Mughal army. No, it's a not true. It's a wrong answer. Mughals army was much larger than Mewar's. Maharana Pratap was hurt in the battle of Haldighati. Okay, it's a correct answer. True. Maharana Pratap never doubted his decision to fight the Mughals. Yeah, it's a true. वो कभी डरे नहीं थे, वो हमेशा लड़ने के लिए रेडी थे. द पीपल ऑफ मेवाड़ ट्रस्टेड द रिस्पेक्टेड महाराणा प्रताप. यस, इट्स अ राइट आंसर. नाउ थिंक एंड आंसर इज देयर. एक्सरसाइज सी, थिंक एंड आंसर. आंसर, व्हाई डू यू थिंक चेतक मेड द डिफिकल्ट जर्नी टू सेव हिज राइडर? What does this tell you about the relationship between the Maharana and his horse? Yes, Chetak was a brave and strong horse. It made the difficult journey to save Maharana. This tells us about strong relationship between Maharana and his horse Chetak. Okay, it's an answer. You have to write that C and B in your textbook only. And answer A question answers you have to write with a good handwriting in your fair notebook. I hope you all will complete this work. And know your values means आपको some values, moral values भी यहाँ पे सीखने को मिलेंगे. Maharana Pratap's family and his people suffered many hardships, but they believed in their leader and supported him. Why do you think they did this? To be good leaders, we need to be confident but also caring and humble. Only then only people respect and obey us. सिर्फ हमें लीडर होने से, उनसे ऑर्डर करने से ही हमें सब लोग सपोर्ट नहीं करते. वी हैव टू हम्बल एंड काइंड विथ आवर पीपल्स. ओके, it's about our question answers, think and answer, and know your values. I hope you all will complete it and with a good handwriting. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Stay safe.